Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications on this smartphone. Firstly, just access Settings. Now tap on Notifications section over here and click on App Settings. Then you need to choose Most Recent and click on one of those options. I will go with All Apps. Finally, tap on the switcher next to an app from which you don't want to receive notifications from, like Camera. As you can see, all notifications from this app are now blocked. If you wish to enable them, select the same switcher. But you can also go into exactly the same settings, but this time click on one of your apps from here instead. Then manage all notifications by clicking on this switcher next to all assistant notifications. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!